Today is such a beautiful day outside. The weather is perfect. It's not too hot, not too cold, and it makes absolutely no sense to stay inside at all. So we're going to go ahead and take all the kids out to the park today and just enjoy the weather. And then hopefully this afternoon I get some time in the shop. I got to finish up the handsaw a little bit and finish up that video. I got to ship off some holdfasts that we sold and just whatever other shop stuff we can get into. It's going to be a great day. One thing I noticed is that this dock is a lot cleaner. The other one is more publicly visible and everybody goes there to feed all the ducks and everything else and all the birds. So it's a lot dirtier, where this one's kind of hidden. I've never known that it was here. And it's a lot cleaner, and I bet you it's even a better place to fish instead of that first one that everybody goes to. I'll have to check this out this summer whenever it's fishing time.
Come on. What are we doing? I'm making a video with Dad. This is the playground.
So I'm about to go ship off the holdfast that we made the other day, and I just wanted to show them. I like this design the best. I think these are one of the better ones that I've made with all the curves and everything. So right here you've got the nice bend in it, and then it kind of comes back up, and it's got a little bit of a shorter shaft on it, but that's not a problem. I really like the bend in it, and they match fairly well, so I think I did a good job on this set. So I just got done with shipping off the holdfast, and that went smooth. There wasn't a real long line in the post office today, which is always nice. Makes everything go quicker. But I have a little bit of time to kill before I need to go pick up some dinner, so I'm going to swing by the antique shop. So I ended up picking up a few things at the antique shop for just over 10 bucks. Went and got some food, and I'm rushing home now. That way the food is nice and warm whenever we go to eat it. It's so beautiful out here that I ended up rolling down the windows, turning off the car air conditioning, and just enjoying the weather out here. Now we're in the shop, and I've gotten the two goodies pulled out. I went and I found two handsaws that were very decently priced, and I went and picked them up. One is this Miller's Falls saw right here. It just needs some cleaning up on it, but this will make a nice user saw. I will probably be reselling this one though after I get it cleaned up. It's got the warranted superior medallion, but it's a nice saw. It's pretty sharp already, and the etch is well there, so I'll probably resell that one. But the one that I was really interested in is this saw right here. It's got this unique screw type right here, and I've only seen this online and haven't ever saw them in person. I've seen this saw sitting at the antique shop for a while. Didn't know who it was made by. There was a bunch of junk right in here, and I brought it home and just kind of cleaned up the etching area a little bit. But this is actually a Simmons saw, so this is a great find. I haven't ever saw one of these in person. This is a nice little small panel saw, so this will be a nice addition to the shop. But that's all I got for you guys today, and I'll see you guys later.